Hello guys, we have just finished the new version of the off-road dongle. This is for the Yamaha Tenere700 with the LCD screen. This device is capable to add the functionality of turning the rear ABS on this bike, and also it's capable to add the ABS memory. Everything is done by the clean way. There are no cutting wires, no butt. Everything is controlled by this button and working without any problems, without any restarting of bike or so. Device is plug and play. It's connected to this diagnostic plug. No matter if you have the Euro 5 red 6-pin connector or Euro 4 white 4-pin connector, but you just have to choose the right version for your bike. We offer both of them. And the second connector that is used for connecting this device is the rear ABS connector. Now how it is working. As I said before, it adds the ABS memory, so if you turn off completely the ABS and restart the bike, you have the same setting as before. Okay. When you push the button shortly, it will turn off only the rear ABS. Yeah. When you turn it again, it switch the rear ABS back on. Yeah. Okay. From some technical reason, if you are riding, this control light is not steady on, but it's flashing once per 4 seconds. If you restart the bike again, this holds in memory. It's very simple and it's working perfectly. Thank you, and order it now. Links where to order are below the video. Thank you guys, and goodbye.